Keylane is an international software company that offers an open platform which makes it easy for insurers to integrate different apps, technologies, service providers and external partners. Today they will showcase how this works for car claims, online and real time. This improves business results and delivers a differentiating customer experience at the same time. Next on stage, Keylane.
Good morning, Munich. It's good to be back here. We are Keylane. We are an international software company, proudly serving over 100 customers across 9 countries in Europe, including some of them here in Germany. My name is Floris van der Kolk, and together with me on stage is my good friend Joris, who will do the demo today. Now, we in Keylane, we are dedicated to challenging and changing the industry using technology. And we do that by focusing our energy, our innovation, and our partnerships with insurtechs on there where it matters most for your customer. Right? So the consumer who actually uses the insurance. And the way we do that is we're providing an open platform which connects, which has already been stated in the keynote speech, to an ecosystem of partners. So that's what we're going to show you today. And we feel that the area where that's most important is the area of claims. Because I think that you will agree that when a customer files a claim with you, or comes into a claim process, that's the defining moment of your customer relationship. It can make or break the trust and loyalty of your customer. Now today we're going to talk about a car claim, and a car claim, a car damage claim, has one particular challenge or difficulty for you as an insurer, because it's not a one-on-one conversation. There are multiple people involved, right? There's someone repairing the car, there's someone looking at the damage, there are several people at the insurance company working at it. So on average, as a consumer, I have 5 to 10 interactions, emails, phones, online forms, before I get the job done, right? So what we're going to show you today in a demo is that we use the Keylane Axon platform together with the very powerful application and data from our partner control expert to handle that in a single conversation. Let's go to the demo.
Thank you, Floris. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Morning, sorry. So Floris was talking to you about the demo that we're going to show. It's a collision with a car, a single-sided collision. And for me, as a designer at Keylane, I got some new tools to play around with. We can integrate in our forms, in our claim forms, some new gadgets to help the customer register a claim and to see what information is relevant and which decisions they can make. Because I believe that customers should be able to get to make a decision so they feel more in control. So I'm logged on in my environment. You can see I'm called B. Wayne, Bruce Wayne. You can see him over there as well, Mr. Batman himself. So I'm going to file a claim for his car. It's not going to be that car, but a different car. So let's start. We're going to file a claim. We're going to select a relevant event, that I had an accident with my car. And the date of the claim, we're going to set to today. So we have some basic questions to get started. So we're going to say something was damaged, and it was my car that was damaged. So now we ask, what do we have to do for this claim? So does your car still need repairs? Has it already been repaired? Or is there no point in repairing it? Is it total loss? And for our claim, it still needs to be repaired. So I'm going to move over here. And now it gets fun. Because what you see here is a plugin in the Axon system. This is SpeedCheck from Control Expert. And they have a database for almost all brand and models of cars, and they can tell us how much the repairs will be. So this is not the Batmobile, but a different car from Bruce Wayne. And on this 3D model, we can indicate where the damage is. So I'm going to select a part of the car, and we have 3 levels of damage that we can indicate. So I'm going to say there are scratches, abrasions, and dents. And immediately below, you see the estimated repairs for this brand of car. I will add some more damage. There was a large area damaged here. Glass damage. And you can see that the estimated repair is updated. So as a customer, for a car policy, you have a no-claim bonus. And you want to know, should I claim this or should I pay for it myself? Because I'm going to lose my bonus discount. So what we do there, let's move this. The Accent system will calculate what's going to happen over the next 5 years for your premium. What would the premium be if you don't claim, and what will it be when you do claim? So to show off, we made a nice graph, but the most important information is below here. So the extra premium you're going to pay is $1,550. The estimated repair cost that we saw on the previous screen. And so reporting this claim on average will save you 1,045 euros. So this information gives control to the customer to make a decision. What do you want to do? So our decision is, I want to claim, and I want to be set up with a repair shop near me. So that's the final step we're going to show you. And here we integrated with Google Maps. All the repair shops from our insurance company are in the system and are displayed in the maps. And we can search around for some repair company in the neighborhood. We check which one we want, and we select it. So this is how we do the first report of the claim. The repair shop will contact the customer, and everything will be handled from there. So back to you, Floris.
Thank you, Joris. Wow, that was a great demo. So what you just saw is actually that you can handle a car claim involving a damage shop, involving car data, involving a bonus calculation with under 5 minutes, right? And what you also saw is that the Axon platform can enable you to build an ecosystem, to get your own apps, to get your business partners, to get any kind of technology into the system and benefit from the industrial-sized core assurance processes that we have in Axon. So I'd like to thank you for your time, and we're happy to talk further in the extra room later. Thank you very much.